Hi there, and welcome back to another edition of Griffin's Paradise. Today we've got two finds that we found at Halloween Express. Our Halloween Express is still having everything 50% off. They haven't got their new stuff in for this year yet. But this was our find at the last outing, and we wanted to share with you. So let's get to it. So here they are, guys. We picked up two skulls. I've been wanting these for the last couple years. Halloween Express had them for $30, 50% off. We picked up each one. We paid $15 a piece. I love that the sound quality and everything, the loudness and that is really good. I have seen these at an at-home store by us. They are actually selling them at $40, I believe, right now. And like I said, Halloween Express was normally $30. So if you're interested in these, you may check your Halloween Express and get a little better deal. What I think we are gonna try and do is, it's got the try me button here, and I think we're going to try and hook them both up to a wireless relay so that we can push a button and control them on and off ourselves exactly when we want them to go on and off. We're going to do that with our zombie horses we got. I haven't done a video on them yet, but I'll do a video on them and show you guys a wireless relay. This is our first year getting into things like this, so we've got a lot to learn. It does look like it's got a motion detected sensor right there. If you turn it on and not use the try me setting. They're pretty heavy, solid. You can see the speaker in the back there. You can see where the try me plug-in is, the on and off switch. You also got a hook up here so that you can hang it on the wall or whatever you want. I think we're going to try and set these out in our graveyard this year. But if you're looking for them, and I'll try and see if I can post a link on Amazon for them, but I know Lowe's sold them last year too. I mean, it's just a giant skull that changes colors. So I really love these, and just wanted to share them with you guys, and hopefully you guys like them too. Well, there it is, guys, another edition of Griffin's Paradise. I hope you like our, we'll say, little review of the giant skulls. I just really wanted to show you guys them. I've wanted these, like I said, for a while, and we finally found a good deal that I thought was fair. If you guys know a cheaper place to buy them, or somebody that's got them on sale, place them in the comments. You know, let's try and help each other save money, or maybe you know where they are being sold at. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. We've got a lot more projects that we're going to share with you that we've actually created ourselves. The next one will probably be the Griffins coffin. We're very proud of that. We got a blog post on it as well. I'll put the link in the description to our blog post for our decorations. But we've got a lot more coming, and we would really love to grow as a community and get your guys' thoughts as well. So any comments, questions, recommendations, like I said, we're new to the YouTube channel and that, so I'm sure this is probably not the best video you've seen or anything. So any comments that or advice that you can help us on better YouTube videos and stuff, we definitely would appreciate it. Until then, guys, stay safe, everybody have fun, and we'll talk to you later.